Good morning. One Truthful Trader back again. Happy Tuesday morning to you and your fellows, friends, families. I'm here again looking for profitable opportunities. Looking at indices, they are moving quite a lot today. So I will be taking a look at indices, oil, and obviously Forex, my three favorites. And we shall see what we find and try and getting to a trade, one or two. Hopefully what I can do is find a couple of indices which are moving in tandem together, take them both together, and kill two birds with one stone, as the saying goes. So yeah, it's just basically patiently waiting, seeing that the market comes to me, having everything set up, waiting for my tick boxes to be ticked, plan the trade, and then trade the plan. So we shall see how we go. I'll be back. One Truthful Trader back again. It is the 4th of August on Tuesday. It is 12 o'clock and I'm just taking you for a trade. I was scrolling the markets. I got in here, this trade, around about, I think it was about 10:55, something like that. I got in. I had a Teams meeting, so I couldn't record, and I couldn't wait for the Teams meeting to finish so I could record and get and show you how this trade is playing out. Indices didn't really work for me today. Didn't take a trade on them because it didn't show me a direction of a trend, but this has. As you can see, it's going nicely towards my take profit, and if you know how I am as a trader, I do not like it to hit my take profit ever. So whenever it's getting there, I normally move down to the next psychological level. I then put my stop there and lock up above the candle, and leave it just above the candle. I then I then scour my stop loss at every candle down. It is a 5 minute. I'm normally a 10-minute man, so I will go to a 10-minute chart for you, and that will be perfect. So hopefully when this candle closes, I then can move my and the new candle starts and the new candle closes, I then can move my stop above that candle, and I'll keep going and I'll keep going, I'll keep going. Obviously, if you're not at your computer, you can't do that. You can't sit there and wait every 10 minutes to move your stop loss down. I understand that people have got things to do. Today I can because I am at home, so it's not a problem. But yeah, we'll see how this is going. We'll see how this is planning out. Normally when I take the Great British Pound Australian dollar, I normally like to take the Euro Australian dollar as well. I didn't get to do it because of the team's meeting. So I didn't get to do that. Euro Australian dollar, which is probably moving in tandem, won't be exactly the same. There we go, look at that bad boy. Unfortunately I missed, but I do like to take them together, two at once, kill two birds with one stone. So as we here we are back, we are going down, and hopefully it keeps on going and keeps on going until we zoom out here. Where are we? Next psychological level, as you can see, is around this area here. Let's get up a pen. There's the brush. There's our next level of kind of indecision or level of support. And yeah, we'll just hold this off. Obviously, it will bounce back to the EMAs, which I've got up here, as you can see. It will bounce back into this river. It may revert back and take me out. If it does that, it does that. But with locked in profit. So it's a risk-free trade. Whatever happens, happens. But it would be even nicer if it does keep going down. So yeah, apart from that, we will see what happens. I might catch another trade in the afternoon. As I say, I'm working from home. I'm not going anywhere at the minute. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out, and we'll see where we go. Oh, it's just taking me out of the trade. So yes, that was a little bit frustrating, but no, it is what it is. Nice bit of profit, taking that. So we will look for the next opportunity and see 12 o'clock's lunchtime. Probably around about 2:30, 3 o'clock, markets will start moving again, whether it's reverting back to the day's trend or people taking profit. But we shall see what happens and how we go. So I shall keep you updated and I shall be back. Yep. One truthful trader back again, guys. I know. I just got out of a trade, but I just can't pass up an opportunity when it arises. So I have just taken another trade for the Great British Pound CAD. I took a trade for the Great British Pound Australian dollar. Seems like the pound is not doing that well today, which is a great opportunity to try and make some monies, which I'm happy about. So what I've got here is I've got my psychological level in. As you know, I love to do psychological levels. 175, and I've got my 174 down there. I'm just going to put in my take profit and my stop loss, and I shall be back. Yep. Truthful Trader 1, Truthful Trader is back again. Okay, guys, just quickly put in my stop and my take profit. I've got them in place now, as you can see. You know what I like to do. You get used to this now. You're getting used to me, getting used to the way I trade. Just before the psychological level, whether it will get all the way down there, I do not know. Obviously, I haven't got a crystal ball. But as we can see, if we smallen this down a little bit, we can see we've got a lot of potential, a lot of selling potential to get back down to these kind of levels. As you can see, we've just got a straight rise up, and now we're slowly starting to roll over and come back down again. We've broke this psychological level, we broke this psychological level, we broke this psychological level. Now we're just starting to slowly roll over. It's a shame that it's not rolled over as quickly as it jumped up there. Pound is not doing that well today against the CAD, wasn't it? Was in. Come on. It's taking so long to load. It's just been a case of being patient. Once the pound has been taking a beating today, literally a beating, so it has been crazy. But here we are. Did go away and make a cup of tea. I had some biscuits, chocolate digestives to be exact. And I had about 10 of those and dipped them in a tea and ate them whole without even taking a breath. So yes, here we are. It did get all the way down here, as you can see. It nearly got to my take profit. I wasn't at the computer at the time. So yes, here we are. Good trade. As we say, it is taking a beating today. The Great British Pound. So I've looked to get in an attack, two positions, which was Great British Pound CAD and I think it was the Great British Pound Australian dollar. Yeah, lovely trades, going really well. Didn't really do that much, to be honest. I just stuck to the plan and traded it. I waited patiently for the market to come to me, and then I went in and traded it. So yeah, it's been a really good day today. Quite happy. Obviously, tomorrow is Wednesday. Anything could happen. Anything could change, as you know, in trading. Nothing's guaranteed. But what is guaranteed is that I was strict and I was disciplined, and I waited and kind of just let this plan out. Obviously, you know how I do. I never like to let it hit my stop, so I move my take profit down. I never let it like to. I never like the market to hit my take profit. I always like it to hit my stop, so I will move my stop in place. I'm not going to go under a whole number, so it will probably be about here. It will come up and hit me out, as you know. Nothing lasts forever. All good things must come to an end, as the saying goes. But what I can say is that I stuck to the plan and I traded it. And guys, you can do this. I'm telling you. At first, my head was all over the place when I first started, and I was like, oh, I need to get into that one, and then I missed that opportunity. Oh, I need to get into that one, and I missed that opportunity. And then eventually I just stopped all that kind of madness and just sat back and waited. And you don't understand how important waiting is. If you don't understand patience and waiting, you really need to understand it and really need to get involved in it, because without that, you're going to find this game very, very difficult. Apart from that, yes, here we are. I don't think I'll take any more trades today because it's getting by the afternoon and it's getting later, and I think you don't want to start being greedy and then you start losing your mind and start frustrating yourself. So I think that'll be it for me today. I'll let this plan out, and if it rolls over and comes back down, great. And if it doesn't, then we'll see what happens. But apart from that, thank you for joining me once again, guys. As I say, I hope you stay well. Keep positive. And obviously in this coronavirus times, keep yourself out of harm's way. 2 meters. And yeah, thank you for joining me again. I shall see you soon.